Hi everyone, today in front of me I have the Xiaomi 12x smartphone, and in this video we'll talk about how you can enable the number row on the keyboard of this device. So in order to do that, you gotta open up the settings, scroll down, look for additional settings. Here choose languages and input. At this menu go for manage keyboard section. Here you gotta press on Gboard, and at the Gboard settings you gotta go for preferences, and here we have the number row switch, which you gotta turn on. Before that, let me show how the keyboard looks without the number row. As you can see, no numbers, no separate number row is on top of our keyboard. And now as I enable the switch, I'll open up the keyboard again, and as you see, the number row has appeared successfully. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.